Hi, my name's Luke. I'm the Director of Sustainability at ASUW Student Government. So I use computing in my current position to build energy awareness applications. So the specific discipline of computing that I'm involved in is software development. So I'm using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to build out ways to translate energy. And so I'm also trying to find ways to translate energy data to people who aren't involved in energy management and to understand, what does kilowatt hours mean or what does MMBTUs mean to someone who doesn't have that background to make it easier for them to understand. So one of my favorite activities on the computer is to figure out ways to automate my life. And so I built a little Python program that'll give me the news, give me stock prices, and also the chance to control the lights in my house. And so I always think it's super interesting to really put a bunch of resources in one place and just to really speed up the mornings and the afternoons when things might be slow. So for daily use, I would definitely use Mac over Windows. And this is because I can use the Unix-based tools. And so the commands don't change from Linux and Mac. And I can really go to work and not have to change my frame of thinking. I can just use the same commands as I would at home. And I think that's incredibly convenient. And it also helps for software development where when I'm downloading certain packages, running up certain programs, then it's all the same. So the convenience there for Mac is definitely a winner. So if I could create a custom shortcut, I would make Command F or Control F and I would put it inside my head, because whenever I'm making a presentation or giving a speech, I always forget certain bits of information, and after the presentation I'm always like, wow, what if I would have remembered that? And I think a Control F command just would have immediately brought that information to my head in that moment, and it would really help with memory. So I think I would definitely use it in these situations. So my favorite computer application is Tableau, and one of my hobbies is working with big data sets, and Tableau just makes it so easy to translate those big data sets into maps, into bar charts, pie charts, and it's right out of the box too. It actually has built-in intuition to know the type of data you're working with and the best way to translate that just with simple suggestions. And so you can really just build out these incredible dashboards so quickly with Tableau, which is why I would pick Tableau. And I'm not a paid spokesperson, but it is the best computer app. So I have a positive outlook on artificial intelligence. I really think that in 50 years, we're going to be looking back and we'll look at AI as if it was like the invention of the calculator. I think that people already use AI daily, and for people in the industry already, I think that it helps for building out schedules, building out contracts. Since it's been trained on so many massive data sets, it's rarely inaccurate, and if it is, it's usually because the bias of the data set itself. So I think that when we work the kinks out of AI into the future, we can start seeing applications right away, and it's super exciting to see how strong it is right now. It almost came out of the blue, but really companies have been putting millions of dollars into AI and now billions, and it's just crazy the state it is already. And so I think it's really exciting when we'll see AI in the next 50 to 100 years.